This video is on the chemistry of kinesiology tape. It's also known as KT tape. This is the size of the pre-cut strips that it comes in, and as you can see, it can come in multiple colors like pink, black, and they also have blue. Now, this tape is used on athletes that have injuries, and it can be placed on the muscles that the injury is involved with. Now, this tape not only protects these injuries, but it also heals them. It does this using matrix weave, ultralight microfibers, and second skin adhesion. Now, the matrix weave is simply the way that the ultralight microfibers are put together, and the second skin adhesion on the back is how the tape sticks to human skin. Now, this tape uses the ultralight microfibers to act similar to human skin in the way that when it makes contact with the skin, it simply gently lifts up on the normal skin, allowing swelling to be reduced. Now, the second skin adhesion that I talked about earlier is how the tape sticks to skin. Now, this adhesion is activated by heat, which is just a simple rubbing of your fingers over the tape once it is applied. This tape is also waterproof, which is good for when athletes need to shower or when they sweat, or especially if they're a swimmer. Now, this tape, because it is waterproof, typically lasts for 5 to 7 days. Now, I'm going to show you an example of how this tape can be used on a kneecap. First off, you're going to take this piece of regular tape and you're going to peel off the paper on the back. When the paper is peeled off, you can see that it sticks to itself, but it's also quite stretchy. As you can see, if you pull it all the way apart, this is called a 100% stretch. Athletic trainers use this on different types of muscle injuries to help the athlete in their injury recovery. And what you're going to do for the kneecap is you're going to stretch this tape first off, you're going to stretch it all the way, and then you're going to pull it back about 40%, so it's in between the 50%, 60% stretch mark. You're going to start about 2/3 of the way down the quad muscle, keeping it stretched, and you're just going to place it on the quad and rub it down to the bottom of the kneecap. This leftover material, you're going to stretch about 30% and bring it underneath the kneecap right over the patella tendon. Now, it's obviously okay if the tape is not perfect and has some bubbles in it. That's normal. So you're just going to lightly press that down. You're going to take another piece of tape, do the same thing on the other side. %60 stretch, bottom of the kneecap, 30% over. Now, you're going to then take a third strip, which I already have cut in half, and you're going to take one piece off. And this piece you're going to want to stretch about 80%. Put it over these bottom pieces, right over the patella tendon again. You're going to want to do the same thing with the other half strip. Again, taking it off, 80%, laying it over the patella tendon. Now, as you can see, it's not perfect. When an athletic trainer does it, it comes out more smooth. These two side pieces are used to help the kneecap in place from moving side to side, while the bottom pieces prevent it from moving downwards, protecting the kneecap but also letting it heal and giving the athlete a fuller range of motion. Now you're just going to simply want to rub with 2 fingers the tape for about 1 to 2 minutes, and let the heat be activated so it'll stick to your skin. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.